what to you is a ridiculous question? Is the most beautiful idea in physics and nuclear engineering, in nuclear fusion and power plants? What ideas you just step back and are in awe of?
I'm continuously in awe that it works.
Yeah.
And I know that sounds a little silly to say. But the more that I learned in my career around the balance of exactly the right temperatures where life works, exactly the right balance between the electromagnetic force and the strong force. Those are things that it's hard to imagine are accidental. And um, and so we talk about how beautiful nature is, but then you look at what each of the leaves on the tree really is, and each of the cells, and each of the atoms, and each of the quantum substructure of that atom. And I'm all amazed that all the pieces come together.
We humans are somehow able to find that perfect balance where it just works.
Just works. Last minute sometimes, but it does work.
The kind of deadlines you're operating, the group of brilliant people that you're working with are operating under is just it stresses me out, but it excites me. So I'm deeply grateful that you're doing this work. You're one of the people building an exciting future. So thank you for doing that, and thank you so much for talking today.
Thank you very much. It's been fun.